In this tutorial, I will show you touch type tool in Adobe Illustrator. So let's jump into this. I have already created an canvas and typed here a text. So without typing text you cannot use touch type tool. So I have already typed it and now I am accessing touch type tool, which keyboard shortcut is Shift plus T. So click on a character to start. So I am now clicking on character and you see the character will be selected by this tool. So here is few options. You can now make the characters as you like. So I want to rotate this T. You can see no other alphabets became changed except T, as this tool, touch type tool, is working on this T now. So I am rotating with it. You can see now a handle appeared here. Here is, you can see I can pull down with this corner, and with this corner I can stretch it up this T. Okay, and if I hold down Shift D while it was doing, it will stretched up with constant proportions. You can see if I drag it, it is also same, but in this corner, lower right corner, if you hold Shift and drag it right, it will make this T bold and stretched it right. Okay, this is the option. And if I hold down Ctrl, and a dialog box will be pop up, and you can make this text. Double click here. Now it is area type tool. Okay, Ctrl, double click, and now it is point type tool. You can convert the type tool types. So I am now stretching O here. Okay, U here. You can see the baseline shift, mainly the text baseline shift is happening here. Okay, so you can easily decorate your text using this tool. Okay, so that was the type tool, and that was for this tutorial. If you like it, please subscribe my channel. Keep editing.